How can you excel as a female executive in a male-dominated industry? My name is Sheila Viesca and I'm a personal effectiveness coach. When I first started coaching executives, this nagging question would make me stop and ponder. But 20 years in this industry has taught me that the daily grind, constant challenges, and persistent trivialities are all happening mainly in our head. The truth is that there's no significant delineation between the roles and job functions of males and females in the organization. We all have 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 12 months a year to make a difference. We can all choose to excel, whatever the odds. We can all choose to have the right attitude, whoever we're dealing with. And we can all choose to carve our niche, whatever profession or vocation we choose to be in. So to the male and female executives out there, I wish you all the best. Take care of yourself, value your priorities, and always be thankful. Again, my name is Sheila Viesca. If you have questions about your career and personal effectiveness plans, please comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. If you want more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.